Do you want to reset your Instagram Explore page? You can reset your Instagram feed with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To reset your Instagram Explore page, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, at the top right of your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal line menu. A new settings screen will appear with different options. From the settings page, scroll down to the What You See section. Under the What You See section, find and open suggested content. On the new screen, you will see different options. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Reset Suggested Content. A new screen appears. Read the provided message and tap the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Now, review the content and tap on Reset Suggested Content. From the pop-up, again select Reset Suggested Content. Now, your Instagram Explore page refreshes, showing more relevant and updated posts.